You must be here to learn how to get straight hair waves, huh? Let me tell you something, that ain't how it works around here. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you to hit that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel too, because if you don't, it's gonna be a problem in here, alright? You don't wanna do that. Cool. So now that we're on the same page, I'm gonna let my man Way2Wavy in take it from here, alright? Yeah, be easy out here. Come on. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Way2Wavy and back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my week 14 progress, and I'm gonna also be talking to you guys about, well, I'm gonna be telling you guys exactly what you need to know to start getting straight hair waves, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about what haircut you're gonna need to get before and after your wove. Talking to you guys about what brush you're gonna need, what products you're gonna need, all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, make sure you watch the whole video. There's gonna be some good tips in here for you guys, alright? To start off, let's get straight into this wave check, you know what I'm saying? I can't be doing all this talking without showing you guys what I got. So, matter of fact, it's a little sunny today. We're gonna take it outside today, guys, alright? Alright, guys, so we out here, feel me, on the block. About to show you this wave check real quick. I hope the sun doesn't go away though, it's kind of cloudy out here. It's covering the sun. I don't even know if this is a good angle for you guys. I'm gonna be mad if I record all this. So yeah, you feel me? Check it out, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it really good though, but I hope you can. So you guys the progress. Yeah, check that out, guys. And yeah, it's really nice out today, guys. Beautiful day out. Yeah, so we're gonna take it back inside now, guys. Alright, guys, we are back. Let me show you guys my progress one more time, actually. But where is it? Yeah, check it out, guys. Progress is still looking pretty good. Yeah, we out here, boys. Give you guys that quick 360 real quick. You know what I'm saying? Can't even see, to be honest, but let me know what you guys think of my progress in the comments down below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know any tips I can do to improve my progress. But yeah, as of right now, looking pretty good for week 14. I'm not sure when I'm gonna cut the wolf yet. Can't even cut it if I wanted to, but it is what it is, guys. But yeah, so now let's get into this. So, brush, a good moisturizer, and a do-rag. It's literally the only things you need to start off getting waves, guys. It's all you need. The only thing that gets you waves is this, though. Now, you might hear that a lot of people say that straight hair wavers cannot get waves because they have straight hair.
Cap.
But that's when the curl enhancing products come into play, you know what I'm saying? This is what gives you that little bit of wave that you need so that you can get waves. So all you gotta do really is, it takes time, it takes a long time. I'm telling you guys, you gotta be patient. If you really want the waves, you gotta put the work in, you gotta be patient. Just brushing products every day. Now for the haircut, if you're just starting off, I highly recommend that you get a 3 with the grain haircut. This is, and let me discuss with you guys what the grain against the grain means. A lot of you guys don't really know what that means. When I reply in the comments, I have a few of you guys asking me what that means. Basically what with the grain means is they're cutting your hair along with the grain, like the way you brush your hair, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna cut it down this way. Against the grain would mean that you're cutting against your hair. Like if you guys seen my comb back video, that's how they would cut your hair. They would go against your grain. You might be thinking, why would people want to do that? It's actually pretty good because it cuts your hair a lot more evenly, you know what I'm saying? As if you're cutting with the grain, it will not cut your hair. You will miss some hairs, you won't cut it as evenly as if you did it against the grain cut. But if you're just starting off, I highly suggest that you get a 3 with the grain or a 6 against the grain. You know what I'm saying? You can go for the against the grain if you want, if you're just starting, but if you already have progress or you already have like a set pattern that you don't want to lose any progress from, do not get an against the grain cut. Some people do, but I just stay safe with the grain cuts, you know what I'm saying? So basically after you get your first cut, whether you got the 3 with the grain or a 6 against the grain, whatever it is, you want to be brushing as much as possible now. This is the time that you want to put in as much work as possible, because this is when it really matters, when your hair is low and you still got to train your hair. All right, so basically what I do is I highly recommend, if you guys want to go and get a product, I highly recommend Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is a really good product. This is the only product that I've been using this entire wave journey so far. 14 weeks of waving, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Dig? Yeah, this is the only product that I've been using. Also, my coconut oil, but this is optional. This is not like mandatory, you know what I'm saying? I would highly recommend you get this before you get the oil. But yeah, basically what I do is, you can check out my other videos. I have weekly routines. I show you guys how I apply my products. I also have other videos like my hot towel method. I show my brush angles in the video. But yeah, basically what I do is I brush in my products every single day, once a day. So yeah, don't forget that. And every time you brush after your brush session, you rag up for at least 30 minutes after. Don't rag up the whole day though. Make sure you let your hair breathe. Letting your hair breathe is also key. Don't be those guys that wear the do-rag all day. Don't do that. Don't do that. Now on for the brushes. Basically what you want to do is either one. You just gotta know like how thick your hair is, what your hair type is. You know, experiment with the brushes. You're gonna have to use all these brushes anyway, so you might as well get like all different types. So I highly recommend that you pick up a medium and a soft, or you can get a medium soft like I did right here. This is a medium soft with the blonde bristles. This is a medium with the black bristles. These are both Torino Pro brushes. You can get them both from Amazon. That's pretty much the only place you can get them from right now, because this pandemic going on, everything's locked down. You can't really go to a beauty salon and get any products or anything. So I highly recommend Amazon. They're really, really good shipping, fast shipping and all that. So yeah, that's how you know which brush to use. Another tip is, if the brush isn't reaching your scalp, then it's probably too soft and you should probably move up a texture on the brush. So like if you're using a soft and it isn't reaching your scalp and you feel like it's not really doing much for your hair, then move up to like a medium or a medium soft, and then keep going up, you know what I'm saying, throughout your wolf. And basically how you know this is, one, if it doesn't touch your scalp, and two, if the brush is irritating your scalp from brush sessions, that means that the brush is obviously too hard, so you should go down one. So yeah, that's how you pick. That's how you know which brush to use, when it's time to switch off brushes and all that too. But yeah, I think that I really covered everything. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. I'm always answering your questions down in the comments down below. And yeah, I do try to get to my DMs. And speaking of DMs, by the way, I do have an upcoming video soon that I plan to drop, guys. But I need your guys' help with this. Basically, I need all of you guys to DM me your progress. Whatever it is, guys, whatever. Basically what the video is, I'm going to be rating subscribers' waves. And I'm also going to be giving you guys tips on how you can improve your waves. So you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to get featured in an upcoming video, make sure you DM me your progress. But yeah, I think I covered all of that, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to check out my other videos again. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Let's try to get 120 likes on today's video, guys. I don't know, it's pretty big. See if you can do it, guys. But you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all you guys. And as always, Sway Wavy signing in, signing out. Peace.